Hello my little warriors, welcome back. Let's see another tough question which was asked in the CBSE board exam 2026 class 10 in the month of February. Okay, and this question is not found in the previous year question papers and also in the textbook. This is the question which I feel student would find it very difficult, because unless and until their fundas is very clear in similarity of triangles and identifying the ratios, then only they will be able to solve it. Otherwise, I think it's not an easy question for a average 10th standard student to attend this. Okay, this has come as 3 marks in 31B as a choice question, and in the year 2026 February. Okay, and the set is set 1 of 33-1, and this question has been asked in Chennai regions. Okay, now let's go about in solving this. In the given figure, PA is a tangent. Where is PA? This is PA. PA is a tangent to the circle O. Okay, such that OA is equal to 10 centimeter. OA is given as 10 centimeters and AB as 8 centimeters, and AB is perpendicular to OP. Find the length of PB. We need to find this length. Okay, in order to do this, we have one triangle here which is a right angle at here. So two sides have been given. If you find third side using the Pythagoras theorem, then he will have one information over here. Now using this triangle information, we need to find similar triangles and get the ratios for finding this particular value. Okay, similar triangles means, like, to call two triangles to be similar, they need to satisfy double angle criteria, that two angles has to be similar, or three sides have to be proportional, or side has to be similar or proportional. Okay, only then we can call two triangles are similar. In the given figure, we can see one triangle over here with all the information, another triangle can be drawn here, and then there's one more triangle which is a bigger triangle which can be drawn here. All three triangles can be used to make similar triangles. Okay, but we need this particular data, and using the data from this triangle, the one which is linking these two is this triangle and this triangle. Because why? Because if you take this triangle, they share common angle with this triangle, so angle O will be equal to angle O. And the next thing is, angle B is 90 degrees in this triangle and angle A is 90 degree in this triangle. So you have angle O is equal to angle O, angle B is equal to angle A. Therefore AA criteria is satisfied. Then we can call two triangles are similar. When we get two triangles are similar, then we get ratios. With the ratios, we can get the answer for this particular question. Now first, using Pythagoras theorem, let's find the value of OB. OB square will be equal to OA square minus AB square. OA square is 10 square and AB square is 8 square. That equals 100 minus 64, which is equal to 36. Therefore OB will be equal to 6 centimeters. So the third ratio here is 6 centimeters. Now let's take similar triangles. See, what is important in similar triangles is writing the order of the triangle is very important. You cannot feel like whatever you feel like, because these two triangles are not mirror image. You cannot just write like PPA is similar to ABP, because we already know these two triangles are similar because they have common angle O, and angle B in this triangle, that is angle B in this triangle is equal to angle A in this triangle. So they are already similar. So now when they are similar, there is a specific way in which you have to write the order of the similarity. Okay, now let's see that. So what is similar is, the two triangles which we will take is OBA and triangle OAP. So angle O is equal to angle O and angle B will be equal to angle A. So the order will be, for the first triangle is OB and what is remaining is A. So triangle OBA is similar to triangle, here also O is similar with angle O and B is similar with angle A, and the remaining is P. So this is the order which we need to follow. You cannot write whatever you feel like. You have to write as per what similarity they are maintaining. Okay. To make it more simpler, let me draw this diagrams here. So one triangle is here. This is P A O, and the other one is here O B A. So I already told you angle O is equal to angle O, and angle B in this triangle is equal to angle in this triangle. That's why two triangles are similar by AA criteria. Okay, next is writing the ratios. Even the ratios you cannot write like whatever you feel like. Okay, now you got the order of the triangle, how they are similar. In the same way you have to write the ratios. So first we will write the ratio of smaller triangle OB with respect to bigger triangle OA. So OB by OA is equal to, then we take OA here and OP here, will be equal to OA of smaller triangle divided by OP of the bigger triangle. And the third ratio, which we don't need for this particular question, but anyway, AB or BA divided by AP. Okay, so as for simplicity's sake I will write AB by AP. Now these two information is more than enough. Why? Because we have information of OB. OB is 6. We have information on OA. OA is 10. We have information of OA which is 10. We can find OP very easily. Therefore, the next step will be OB is 6, OA is 10, is equal to OA with 10 again, and then OP. Therefore, OP will be equal to, OP will go this side and 10 will go the other side and 6 will come down. Therefore, OP will be equal to 10 into 10 divided by 6, that is 100 by 6, which is equal to 50 by 3. So you got OP, this length is 50 by 3. Now we just have to find PB, because we have OB, we have subtract from this OP, then we'll get PB. Okay, straightforward now. So OP will be equal to PB plus BO. So OP is 50 by 3 is equal to PB plus 6. 6 will go that side, and the next step will be PB will be equal to 50 by 3 minus 6. We will take LCM. 50 minus 18 by 3 is equal to 32 by 3, which is equal to 10.667 centimeters. So this is the value of PB. Okay, 10.667 centimeters. Hope you understood the working of this particular problem. Trust me, for me, I consider this problem is not easy, because student who's very good in understanding the similarity and who's very good in writing the ratio will be able to get it. The other guys who just by heart and go, I don't think so you will be able to handle, because you need to understand the logic, because in maths basically a person who by hearts and go to the examination will find it very difficult. You need to understand the logic, and then basis the logic, if you solve it, you will be able to solve it. Okay, so in case of any doubts where you find some questions which you think that you don't get the answer properly, please leave a comment and I will be very happy to reply. In case you already finished your 10th standard examination, and then basically you won't need to refer these answers and all, but in case you are planning to write an improvement exam in the May 2026, then these answers will be actually useful for you all. Okay, thank you so much and see you in the next video.